In a lot of ways, the cooperative practice approach to resolving New Jersey divorce cases is the same as collaborative practice. There is one huge difference, however. In the collaborative practice model, the lawyers and the clients agree at the beginning of the process that if a settlement can't be reached and the parties have to go to court to resolve their disputes, the lawyers must bow out and each of the clients must retain new lawyers. The advocates of the collaborative practice model view this as a beneficial thing. They say that because of this fact, cases are more likely to settle. And that certainly seems to be true. In the cooperative practice approach, there is no such agreement. If the case doesn't settle, the same lawyers can continue to represent each party in court. Those who prefer this approach say that the additional threat of litigation is outweighed by the benefit of each party not having to switch horses in the middle of the process, which often results in additional cost because the new lawyers must familiarize themselves with the facts and sometimes the law. The advocates of the cooperative approach also point out that sometimes there are unsettled legal issues that must be decided by a court, but do not become apparent until the process is well underway. They say that in cases where the collaborative model is being used, there may be too much pressure to settle and therefore ignore those issues. What about the situation where, despite everyone's best efforts, one of the spouses is clearly unreasonable or does everything possible to delay the process because he or she just doesn't want to get divorced? Because the collaborative model arguably contains a bigger disincentive to litigation by requiring new lawyers, the advocates of the cooperative model say that it's better. Every situation is different, of course, and the best approach to resolving all of the issues in one approach may be very different than the right approach in another. If you want to know more about all of the alternatives for resolving your New Jersey divorce case, don't hesitate to contact us. We really are here to help.